Welcome to Florida, the Sunshine State. Famous for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and endless sunshine. From the bustling streets of Miami, known for its lively nightlife and cultural diversity, to Orlando, the home of world-renowned theme parks like Walt Disney World and Universal Studios. Florida is also a natural wonder, with the Everglades offering a unique ecosystem that's home to incredible wildlife. For the adventure seekers, the Florida Keys provide the perfect playground for diving, snorkeling, and boating. History buffs can explore Austin, the oldest city in the U.S., rich with historical landmarks and stories. And don't forget the Space Coast, where you can witness rocket launches that inspire the future of space exploration.